Today, I'll show you how to get your boarding pass on the Expedia website. We'll walk through what you need to do from the moment you book your flight, all the way to checking in online and accessing your boarding pass once it's available. By the end, you'll know exactly when and where to go, so there are no surprises on the day of your trip. First, you'll need to have a flight booked through Expedia. Start by going to the Expedia website and signing into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or continue as a guest, but using an account makes it easier to find your trip later. Search for your flight by entering your departure city, destination, travel dates, and number of travelers. Then browse through the options and choose the flight that fits your schedule and budget. Once you've picked your flight, follow the prompts to enter passenger details, such as full names and contact information. Double check that everything matches the information on your government issued ID or passport. This is important because mismatched details can cause issues when you try to check in or get your boarding pass. After you confirm your details and payment, you'll receive a confirmation page and an email from Expedia with your itinerary. This email usually includes your airline, flight number, and departure time. It's a good idea to save this email or take a screenshot of the confirmation because you'll need this information when it's time to check in. Now, getting your actual boarding pass does not happen right after you book. Airlines only open online check-in a certain amount of time before your flight, often around 24 to 72 hours before departure. In this case, you'll want to wait until you are within 72 hours of your flight time. That's the window where you can check in online and get your boarding pass. When you're within that 72-hour window, open your browser and go back to the Expedia website. Sign in to the same account you used when booking, then go to your trips or itineraries section, find the flight you booked, and open the trip details. On this page, you should see an option to check in online. In many cases, this will redirect you to the airline's own website or check-in page. Follow the prompts on the check-in page. You may be asked to confirm your passenger details, select or confirm seats, add baggage if needed, and agree to any travel policies. Take your time here and read each screen so you don't miss any important options like adding a frequent flyer number or updating contact information for flight alerts. Once you complete the check-in process, you'll be given access to your boarding pass. Depending on the airline, you may be able to download it as a PDF, save it to your mobile wallet, or have it emailed to you. Even though you started from Expedia, the boarding pass itself usually comes directly from the airline. Before you finish, make sure you save or print your boarding pass and keep it somewhere easy to access when you get to the airport. If anything changes with your flight, you can always return to your Expedia trip details or the airline's website to review or re-download your boarding pass.